Okay, good day guys. So ito yung pang-apat na tutorial natin about sa differential equation. So sa ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung about the elimination of arbitrary constant. Okay, so para maintindihan natin ng maigi, so ipakita natin to, yung sample A. Okay, so eliminate the arbitrary constant c sub 1 and c sub 2 from the relation y is equals to c sub 1 a times a raised to negative 2x plus c2 times a raised to positive 3x. So, ang pinaka-pros dyan or method, so kung ilang arbitrary constant ang dapat natin i-remove or eliminate, yun, ilang beses din natin i-derive yung equation. Ito, yung original equation. So, dalawa to, that's why kailangan natin to i-derive ng dalawang beses. So, ibig sabihin, up to double integration, double differential tayo. Okay. So, let's say equation 1 to. Equation 1. Then, yung makukuha nating y prime is equation 2. And then, double prime is equation 3. So, I assume na alam na ninyo mag-derive. Pero to those na hindi pa marunong, pwede natin yung pakita. Okay, from the original equation, pwede natin kunin si first derivative. So, copy yung C1 times yung e raised to negative 2x, yung term mismo itself niya. Then, times sa exponent niya, yung differential derivative ng exponent. So, magiging negative 2. Okay, plus. Same lang din sa second term. Copy lang natin. Then, times lang natin sa derivative ng exponent, which is 3. So, magiging sagot niyan is negative 2 C1 e raised to 2x. So, plus 3C2 times e raised to positive 3x, which is ito na yan. Okay, paano naman si double prime? So, simply, i-derive natin ng isang basis to para makuha natin si y double prime. Okay, so, y double prime is equals derivative of this negative 2 times c1 times e raised to negative 2x. So, times lang natin yung differential ng exponent, which is 2. Same with the second term, c2 e raised to 3x times 3. Okay, so y double prime is equals to positive 4 c1 e raised to negative 2x. Then plus 9c2 times a raised to positive 3x. So, ito na yan. Okay, let's continue. So, sa algebra, di ba kapag nag-solve kayo ng tatlong unknown, so kailangan ninyo ng tatlong equation. So, same din dito. So, sa ngayon, nakapag-formulate na tayo ng tatlong equation, pwede natin ma-eliminate si C1 and C2. Okay. Pwede natin i-solve from equation 2 and 3. So, makaka-obtain tayo ng panibagong equation. Ito yun. Okay. So, pag i-solve naman natin sa equation 1 and 2, ito yung magiging resulta natin. So, paano yan nangyari? Simply, kailangan natin mag-multiply sa buong equation na dapat ma-eliminate si C1 at C2. So, for example, sa equation 2 and 3, para makuha to, so mag-multiply tayo ng ilang constant, ng anong constant. So, from this given equations, pag C1 yung eliminate natin, 4, 2, then negative 2, kailangan ko lang mag-multiply to all term ng positive 2. Kasi pag multiply natin, magiging negative 4, then pag plus natin sa 4, ma-cancel out na. Okay. So, ang mangyayari, pag i-multiply natin to, magiging negative 4 to, then magiging positive 6. Then, cancel out to, ang mangyayari is y prime is equals to, okay, wait lang. Sige, sulat na lang natin. Negative 2 prime is equals to 4, negative 4, c1 times a raised to negative 2x plus 6 c2 a raised to 3x. Okay, then copy the third equation. Now, y double prime is equals to positive 4c1 times a raised to negative 2x plus 9c2 times a raised to positive 3x. Then, plus natin. Ito, cancel out na to. So, maging result niyan is y double prime plus 2y prime is equals to 9 plus 6 is 15c2 raised to 3x. So, kaya nakuha natin to. Okay, paano naman kapag solve natin yung equation 1 and 2 na dapat itong maging resulta? Simply, check natin kung anong dapat or anong dapat i-multiply natin para ma-cancel out yung C1. Ito, negative 2. So, dapat mag-multiply tayo dito ng positive 2. Para maging result is 2y is equals to 2c1 e raised to negative 2x plus, okay, c2 times a raised to 3x. Then, okay, ito pa, 2, sorry. 2. Okay, then copy the second equation. Now, y prime is equals to negative 2c1 e raised to 2x. Then, plus 3c2 e raised to 3x. Then, plus natin yung dalawang relation, dalawang equations. So, magiging y prime plus 2y is equals to, cancel out to, so magiging 5c2 na lang. c2 e raised to 3x. Yun. So, ngayon, nakuha na natin si equation 4 and equation 5. So, sa ngayon naman, para matanggal yung c2, so kailangan natin isolve to, yung dalawa. Okay. From this given equation, para matanggal si C2, so mag-multiply naman ako sa baba ng negative 3. Okay. So, copy ko yung fourth equation, magiging y double prime plus 2y prime. Okay, y prime is equals to 15 c2 e raised to 3x. Then, yung last na equation is negative 3y prime. Maging result siya to, okay, sorry, negative. Minus 6y is equals to negative 15 c2 e raised to 3x. Then, plus natin. So, magiging y double prime, then 2y prime minus 3y prime minus y prime minus 6y is equals to, ito, cancel out na to. Is equals to 0. So, kaya ito yung naging resulta natin. Okay. Ito yung result natin. Although, pwede na natin sabihin, ito na yung sagot in this form. Or, para mas maganda, pwede natin yan, mas simplify pa in this form. Okay. So, punta tayo sa example B. Eliminate the constant a from the equation. The square of the quantity x minus a plus y squared is equals to a squared. So, paano natin yan eliminate si a? So, simply, direct differentiation of the relation. So, ito yung magiging resulta natin kapag i-derive natin yan yung first equation. Simply, sa derivation natin, try natin i-derive to. Magiging 2x minus a. So, 2 minus 1 plus 2y times dy over dx is equals to yung a kasi constant yan, kaya 0. Tapos yung dy over dx, pwede natin yan isulat na y prime. So, ang magiging resulta niyan, 2 times the quantity x minus a plus 2y y prime is equals to 0. Kaya, ito yung magiging resulta niya. Okay. So, by simplifying, pwede natin makuha si a in terms of x and y. So, paano natin yan gagawin? So, simplify mo lang. So, 2x minus 2a is equals to 2y y prime is equals to 0. Then, pwede natin punta si negative 2 sa kabila. Ilagay. Then, ang mangyayari niyan, magiging positive 2a is equals to 2x plus 2y y prime. Then, divide both side by 2. So, kaya a is equals to x plus 2y y prime. Ito yan. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so ang mangyayari dyan, after we get the value of a in terms of x and y, is substitute natin to. Yan, then isi-simplify lang. Okay, yun lang. So, bali, yun ang magiging sagot natin. So, pero, try natin i-solve. Okay. So, ang mas maganda rito, expand muna natin yan. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan sa pag-substitute rito. So, once na-expand natin yan, na mangyayari. So, magiging, okay, wait lang. Yung x minus a times x minus a. So, x squared minus xa or ex. So, minus ex plus e squared. Yung pag i-plus natin yan, magiging x squared minus 2ex plus e squared. Yan. So, isulat natin dito, 2x minus 2ex, pangit ng x. Then, plus ex squared. Okay, then, ito, plus y squared is equal sa e squared. So, e squared. Ito, cancel out na to. Then, ano mangyayari? Okay, so, ito, pwede natin yan ilagay doon sa kabila, yung a. Yung negative 2x, so magiging x squared plus y squared is equals to negative 2e, positive na, sorry, positive 2x. Then, divide both side ng 2x. 2x. Then, cancel out to. So, a is equals to, okay, x squared plus y squared over 2x. Yun. I-quit lang natin to. Okay. So, iris ko muna to guys para makasulat tayo. Okay. Then, okay, let's continue. Equate natin yung dalawang equation. So, magiging x plus y times y prime is equals to x squared plus y squared over 2x. Then, cross multiplication. So, magiging 2x squared plus 2x y times y prime is equals to x squared plus y squared. Okay, ito, pwede natin yan i-combine ito. So, magiging resulta niyan, magiging x squared plus 2xy prime is equals to y squared. Okay. Then, pwede natin yan i-arrange. Actually, pwede hindi na eh. Ito na yan eh. Ito na pala yan. Ito na yan guys. So, ito na yan. So, y squared is equals to x squared plus 2x. Oops, wait lang. Ito, may y pala. Sorry. May y prime pa pala. Okay. Y prime. Ito, y prime lang to. Okay. So, yun. Simple lang. Ang kailangan lang sipag at syaga lang. So, ito lang, review lang natin, recall lang natin, summary lang natin. So, kapag ilang arbitrary constant yung tatanggalin ninyo using differentiation, kailangan ka mag-formulate ng ganong karami din na equation by differentiation. Yun lang. Tapos, ito pa, kung pwede naman ninyo i-simplify muna yung equation, i-simplify muna ninyo para hindi na kayo mahirapan sa pag-substitute ng value or pag-simplify. Kasi once kasi mag-simplify ka na hindi pa nakasimplify yung original equation, medyo mahirapan ka or mas mahaba yung solution. Okay. So, ito pala guys, pwede pa natin yan isulat in this form. Yun. Pero okay na rin to. Okay na rin to. As long as natatanggal na yung constant na a. Okay, so yan muna for today guys. See you next tutorial. And of course, kung sinong may gusto mag-join sa group namin sa Facebook, sa may RHC Academy ako, then online tutorials, and of course, gaming. So, pakihanap na lang sa Facebook group. Then of course, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share. Yan lang guys. So, thank you for watching and God bless.